it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't know why I'm
It's a new day, it's a new day, baby. I left the baby outside again, but there she go. There she go, looking all pretty and stuff. You already know. Alright, so today I have no clue what the move is, but I want y'all to come along with me because we going on a drive, heading to base. And you already know I gotta do a point of view. That's how we do it. You already know. Like, subscribe. Let's get it going, baby.
Hey, it's kinda hard to keep up, moving all around the world. It's kinda hard to stay focused, I'm seeing different girls. She acting like she don't notice, I'm trying to get to her. Hey, tell her that I'm feeling her, don't let her go, I'm missing her. No, it ain't no Chelsea, I wanna get the kissing her. Let me chill and back it up before I get my feelings hurt. Be too caught up in my thoughts, I don't know why I'm texting her. If you want, then we can box, if you want, get it.